Hey everybody, it's Brett. Welcome to my front yard. Today, we're putting oil in my car and also cleaning the windshield maybe. So first, let me pop the hood. I really don't know why I'm making this video, but you know what? Why not? Hold on, let me grab something. Hi, I'm back. So I got my little car funnels. Let me pop the hood, because I'm a car guy, you know. I love cars. Whoop! So I'm not gonna lie, I've done this like twice. I'm not very good at it, so that's kind of why I wanted to make a video so you could watch my stupidity, and I want to see how this goes. And as you can tell, it's really windy, so I hope you can hear me. I'm pretty sure I'm low on oil, but I'm just gonna check. Gotta use the dipstick. Hold on one sec, cause this ain't looking quite. Oh, I just ran it. Oh. Well, you know what? I'm fairly certain I need this, so we're just gonna put some in anyways and hope my car doesn't die. Cause that's how I do things. Step 1, take off the cap, which is on extremely tight for literally no reason. There we go. Step 1 complete. Cap is unscrewed. Step 2, put the funnel in the thing. Step 3, get your oil. Open it. Watch this splatter all over my nice new shirt that I literally wore to work today, and I'm gonna. Woo! Wow! All right, so here we go. The testament of truth, right? La la la. Oh.
Dude, I don't know how much oil to put in.
Can you have too much oil? Do I know what the hell I'm doing? No, I don't at all whatsoever. I literally don't know what's going on. Oh, she good. That looks good enough to me. I work on cars all the time. How I know if my car needs oil is if it starts sounding like Autopia, then I fill it with oil. I believe that's a very scientific way on how to decide. I don't honestly know anything about cars. Believe it or not, I know my expertise in putting oil in my car really set the bar very high. I also need wiper fluid, but I don't know where my family keeps that, and I don't want to ask because I'm already outside. Oh, there's a cat coming, y'all. There's a cat. She's kind of fat. What? What, pee-pee? What, pee-pee? So that's my parents' cat. Her name is Georgia Grace. Watch this shut down and smash my fingers. Wouldn't be very fun, would it? Okay. Now the fun part. Just gotta drop it. Ooh! I'm so good at cars. I should be a freaking mechanic. Okay. But another thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna Windex the inside of my windshield. Believe it or not, we're not gonna do a car tour today. I've never literally ever done this in my entire life. So I don't know how this will work, or I'm cleaning the inside because the inside is really gross. So let me just get inside real quick. Hi! It's nice in here, there's no wind. I hope you can still hear me. Like, if you can, that'd be. My camera is gonna topple over. The cat's gonna fucking hit it. I just know my camera's going down. It's gonna be all over. At least I'll have a clean car. Bye. I'm like in a car wash, but in reverse. I don't know how well this will work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Like, I'm just Windexing a glass, right? Like, why won't this work? 100% this is gonna work. I believe in me. I believe in my car and my cleaning skills. I'm choking. Maybe I have crap in here. No, but I'm like ass choking. It's so strong in here. Watch this, I've actually made it worse. I won't know if it's better or worse though until like nighttime or it rains. Ew, it's so black. You probably can't see that, but it's black, yo. Let's just literally clean everything in here.
I'm a professional car detailer, thanks.
Well, I hope my window is pretty. I honestly don't know. So yeah, hey, the name is Brett. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my car tutorial cleaning. I don't know what this was, but I mean, like, hope you liked it. If you do, leave a like and a comment, share with your friends, subscribe, please. Thanks for watching. Bye!